The Volkswagen or Volkswagen means people's car. The car we're going to review today is the first people's car that was commissioned by none other than Adolf Hitler. That's the Volkswagen Beetle. Before we get into the video, kindly subscribe. Let me give you a few seconds to subscribe. Thank you. Also, don't forget to like the video and share to your friends. The silhouette of the Volkswagen Beetle that is characterized by the rounded headlights, the rounded fenders, and also the sloping roof line makes this car very iconic in the automotive history. Also, the silhouette makes this car to be referred as bug. The Volkswagen Beetle was initially conceived in the early 20th century, then it disappeared. Later, in the late 90s, it revived as the second generation Volkswagen Beetle, or the new Beetle, or the Beetle A5. So the car we're reviewing today is a 2015 Volkswagen Beetle. It's available at Urban Drive, Kiambu Road, now at the Evergreen Center. If you're interested in buying the car is costing 1.5 million Kenya shillings. But if you come and this has been set by Mugabe from Mugabe Reviews, you'll get a discount. Looking at this car is one striking thing that you're going to see. It's a Beetle. It doesn't matter if you are a few meters away or if you squint your eyes, you'll still know it's a Beetle. Looking at the round iconic headlamp, you'll notice that the car has xenon headlights, and also it's complemented with daytime running lights. Also, it has a chrome strip to complement the luxury of the car. Also, you have a big emblem, Volkswagen emblem, and a familiar sundown at the hood, or an arc, which is similar to the old Beetle. Another thing to notice, the engine of the car is right here, not at the trunk like in the old Beetle. Let's pop the hood and see what it packs. Popping the hood reveals a 1.2 liter or 1200 cc turbocharged petrol engine. The engine produces about 103 horsepower and 175 Newton meters of torque. The engine is a 4-cylinder engine, TSI, which is similar to what you'll find in its closest sibling, that is the Volkswagen Golf. Mated to the engine is a 7-speed DSG or direct shift gearbox, which allows for smooth gear changes, and that is similar to also what you find in the Volkswagen Golf. At the side of the Volkswagen Beetle, one thing that you cannot ignore is the sloping roof line, the large fenders, and the chrome strip, which also emphasizes on the elegance and really gives the car a lot of character, and that is what the Beetle is about. So it really much copies its predecessor. At the back, you can see the car still looks like a Volkswagen Beetle. You cannot fail to notice this Volkswagen emblem, and also, interestingly, it acts as a relief for the trunk. Opening the trunk reveals a somewhat small boot, but it's substantial. It's quite substantial. I'm actually shocked at the amount of boot space this car has. Also, this is a fun car. You don't want to be carrying a lot of heavy stuff on the Beetle. If you need more space in your boot, you can always fold down the rear seat to get more room. Inside the Volkswagen Beetle, you feel there's a classic feel to it. You feel like you're in a German car. So one thing you're going to notice about the Volkswagen Beetle, there's a lot of plastic, polished black plastic going on, which I really love about it. It makes the car look classic. Also, you'll notice a bit of resemblance to its sibling, the Volkswagen Golf. The car also has numerous storage compartments. It has the conventional handbrake, and if you're going to buy this car, you will note that in German, the indicator is on the left side and the wipers is on the right side. At the back of the Volkswagen Beetle, you'll notice that the space is so tight, and tall people will find the space excruciatingly small. So the space here at the back is only ideal for small children or small adults. Also, it requires some level of flexibility so as to access the back seat. In Mugabe Reviews, you have to have a parting shot. Parting shot is why you should buy the Volkswagen Beetle, and that's a very simple answer. The car has a unique design. So the Volkswagen Beetle is known for having a unique styling. It's a symbol of fun. So when you're driving this car, be sure to turn a few heads when you're passing, because it's such a fun sight to behold. So thank you for watching Mugabe Reviews. Till next time.